Hello little scientist. Welcome to ALLEN IntelliBrain. We are here to perform the Intelli activity that will help us to learn the subtraction of numbers up to 5 digits. To perform the activity, we are going to need the following materials from our Intelli SMART Box. From the Intelli Number Buddy kit, take out 2 units of the number foam base, 2 units of the number base plates, the ALLEN Intelli board, 2 units of the wooden locks, 5 units of the U-shaped sticks, 3 sets of the number tokens marked with the numbers 0 to 9, the subtraction base sheet, the number beads and the marker. Place the subtraction base sheet at the foot of the Intelli Number Buddy like this. Sign your subtraction base sheet with your name and grade here using the marker. Now we are going to subtract two 5-digit numbers, or we shall say that we are going to find the difference between the two 5-digit numbers. We must know that subtraction is done from the greater number of the smaller number. The greater number is referred to as the minuend and the smaller number is referred to as the subtrahend, and the subtraction of the subtrahend from the minuend will be called as the difference of the two numbers. We must choose randomly two distinct 5-digit numbers using the number tokens. You may close your eyes and choose 5 number tokens for the first number. Let's say you picked 7, 5, 4, 0 and a 7 again. So the first number becomes 70,457. And now let's pick 5 number tokens for the second number. Let's say you picked a 5, a 6, a 2, another 5 and a 4. And the second number becomes 45,265. We know you can easily tell which of the two numbers is greater. 70457 is greater than 45265. The minuend becomes 70,457. Write the number down in the blocks given in the minuend section. 7 for 10,000, 0 for thousands, 4 for hundreds, 5 for tens and 7 for ones. And the smaller number 45,265 becomes the subtrahend. 4 for 10,000s, 5 for thousands, 2 for hundreds, 6 for tens and 5 for ones. Now we represent the minuend on the Intelli Number Buddy by moving the colored number beads forward for each digit in the minuend. You can observe that we represent the minuend first because we always subtract the smaller number, the subtrahend, from the greater number, the minuend. Move 7 blue beads forward for ones place of the minuend, 5 white beads forward, 4 yellow beads, 0 red beads for the thousands place and 7 green beads forward. Now the Intelli Number Buddy represents the minuend. We will now subtract the subtrahend from the minuend. It's very easy to do. Just watch and observe. We are subtracting individual digits at each place by moving back the beads at that number place. The digit at ones place of the subtrahend is 5. So we move back 5 out of 7 blue number beads. Count the remaining blue number beads. There are now 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2 blue number beads at ones place. Fix the number token of the number 2 in the slit given in the ones section. The digit at tens place of the subtrahend is 6. we need to move back 6 white number beads. However, there are only 5 white number beads at the tens place. Here, we need to consider 1 hundreds equal to 10 tens, and we can add 10 number beads to the tens place by borrowing 1 number bead from the hundreds place. Move back 1 yellow number bead at the hundreds place and bring forward 10 white number beads at the tens place. Now there are 15 white number beads at the tens place. To subtract 6, we move back 6 white number beads. Count the remaining white number beads. There are 9 number beads remaining. Place the number token of the number 9 in the slit given in the tens section. The digit at hundreds place of the subtrahend is 2. So we move back 2 out of the 3 yellow number beads. There is 1 yellow number bead remaining. Place the number token of the number 1 in the slit given in the hundreds section of your Intelli number buddy. The digit at thousands place of the subtrahend is 5. So we need to move back 5 red number beads. However, there are no red number beads at the tens place. What do we do now? We shall consider 1 10,000s equal to 10 thousands, and we can add 10 red number beads to the thousands place. By borrowing 1 number bead from the 10,000s place, move back 1 green bead at 10,000s place and bring forward 10 red number beads at the thousands place. Now there are 10 red number beads in the thousands place. To subtract 5, we need to move back 5 red number beads. Count the remaining red number beads. There are 5 number beads remaining. Place the number token of the number 5 in the thousands section. The digit at 10,000s place of the subtrahend is 4. So we move back 4 out of the 6 green number beads, and there are 2 green number beads remaining. Place the number token of the number 2 in the slit given in the 10,000 section of your Intelli number buddy. We have done it. The subtraction of 45,265 from 70,457 is 25,192. We know after performing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the subtraction of numbers up to 5 digits. Now you can try out more subtraction problems with the Intelli number buddy and do it yourself. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.